nga dikununkiriza okuwera essaawa 7 ez'amalya ag'ekyemisana mwene kyalo kino ekya Busoga, His Majesty Dr. William Wilberforce Kadumbula Gabula Nadiope owookuna abaire atuuse ku itendekero erya Lubega Institute of Nursing and Health Professionals wali ku kyalo eky'Ebuseyi mu disitulikiti ey'Iganga. Baba mwene kyalo kino ekya Busoga okutuuka eno atandiise na kulambula mirimu egiri okutambula era oluviire gano bajja wale ku mikolo we gyategekeibwa maawo nyenembe edaiwanga okutaakuna okusaba byatoolera.
Oh Allah, bless their parents, families, teachers, mentors.
As the Basoga say, singa timwana titwanidye. Lord, we thank you for these children.
Baba Kyabazinga mu bukwenda bw'eri Abasoga okutaakuna Uganda okutwaliza awalala onaasabye abasawo okukola ino okutaakuna okugoberera ebirayiro bye bakubye basobole okuweereza abantu.
Congratulations. Your determination, discipline, resilience and commitment have enabled you to complete your studies successfully. You have persevered through demanding academic schedules, practical training, examinations, and personal challenges. Today your hard work has borne fruit.
Kyabazinga alagira abasawo bano bonna abamaliriza emisomo gyaibwe okuba abakiise mu byobulamu n'erala mu bitundu mwe bawangaalira.
You are stepping into a noble profession that demands knowledge, integrity, compassion, and service to humanity. Your qualification is not merely a certificate or diploma, but rather a responsibility, because communities will look up to you for hope, healing, guidance, comfort, and on the other hand, patients will trust you with their lives. Remember, society expects you to uphold professional ethics and demonstrate excellency in your service. I therefore urge you to carry the values of professionalism, humility, honesty, and empathy wherever you go. Let your conduct reflect the quality of education you have received from this institution.
Okumukolo gwena guno namyuka isaba Minisita wa Uganda asooka ate nga ne Minisita w'ensonga za East Africa Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadhaga akubiriza abakiise ba Palamenti ab'omu kitundu kya Busoga okuba abeegendereza nerala nga balonda obukiiko bulebula obwa Palamenti.
So abakiise Mr. Kisa nibaino titulonda obwegendereza anaja kakyeko ka finance, anaja kakyeko ka budget, anaja kakyeko ka works. Tute omuntu aganayogerera ku nsonga zaife. Bogere ku luguudo twetaaga omutwana lwogerera. Bogere ku misolo twetaaga omutwalira n'akambwala ku misolo eyo. So mwesetinge tubone nti atugaba abantu baife ebanayogerera ku nsonga zena nibanange nga twongerako.
Kadhaga akoba nti abakiise bano basaanira okulonda abakiise abaidde okusobola okulwanirira okutaakuna okubanda gavumenti ebintu ebikulankulanya ekitundu kyaibwe era ng'ono yeeyamye okugemera agalala n'abakiise bano bonna n'erala ku nsonga ezikulankulanya Busoga.
Nibira bindi ebirando bikalikuwa katwire kabitogera amaani mu kubanda tubone tibenda bikolebwa.
Ate yeeyise enkulu ow'eitendekero erya Lubega Institute of Nursing and Midwifery ate nga n'omumyuka wa Katuukiro wa Busoga asooka Dr. Lubega Muhammad Kisambira ono asabye gavumenti okukola enguudo mu kitundu kino omuli eitendekero lino olw'emmeni kisobozesa emirimu okutambula obukalamu.
Oba kukola nsimama noyikiira gano osalo n'ojja kulojja ku bulubandi. We did, through His Majesty Kyabazinga, consult the Rights Authority, and they sent a team here, Your Majesty, to look at the road, and they did bills of quantities. Ayo kumadi ganaga sekola chiruire omuyalo yangu yako. Your Majesty, I'm sure you have the powers, but the connections make this run faster. Why? Because this school has been here for 10 years. If you aggregate our taxes for 10 years, it's about 1.2 billion. And that road, in the estimation, costs about 400. That will be a good give back.
Omukolo guno gwetabibwako abakiise ba Palamenti nkumuliitu okuva gano mu Busoga era nga abakiise bano Beyamye eri Kyabazinga ga Busoga okukolera agalala mu kisanda kino era nga bakulembedwamu omukiise owa Luuka ey'Amaserengeta Hon Kisa Stephen Bakubalwayo Betondedde Kyabazinga olwenjjawukana eddaliwo wakati waibwe mu kisanda kiro ekibise era beeyama nti ekisanda kino baidda kukitandiika bukalamu ino era nga balingirire bwankulankulana ya Busoga okotaaku ne Uganda yona yona.
Gwaiswa kuzaifa, gwaiswa makubaida.